Hi everybody, and thank you for watching this new video where I will show you how I made this candle to celebrate Ostara. I received a lot of requests for a new one, so I really hope you enjoy it. The first step I do is I add my soy wax to the heat, and whilst it is melting I add my coloring. When it has completely melted, I feel if it is cool enough with my hand and add my scents. I do this completely with my senses and don't use a thermometer anymore. For this candle I used 3 scents. I used Hyacinth, Patchouli and Lemongrass. And what you see me doing now is I'm pouring the wax in the container I'm using, and I'm going to center the wicks with clothespins. And after a while, when the wax has hardened a little bit, you can remove them and the wicks will stay up. And for this Ostara candle, I added lemongrass, verbena, spring herbs, a Moss Agate stone to celebrate new growth and new beginnings. I added green glitters and a cute hare. I really hope you liked this short little video. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below. I love answering your questions. I hope in the near future to make a more elaborated tutorial. So I hope to see you then. Have a great day and enjoy spring season. Bye bye!